Hey there everyone, in this video I want to show you how to get your HTC U Ultra into safe mode and out of safe mode. Okay, so it's really quick. To get into safe mode is super easy. You may want to do this if there's certain things that you need to do while in safe mode, like being able to delete certain apps, or maybe your phone's not acting properly. So to get into safe mode, all you're gonna have to do is press and hold the power off button until you get the power off menu, like this, and then just tap and hold power off. Okay, and it's gonna give you this option right here, reboot to safe mode. So here you're just gonna hit OK. Okay, so it's gonna reboot now into safe mode, and then I'm gonna show you how to get out of it, which is very easy as well. All right, and there we go. As you can see, it says safe mode down here on the lower left-hand corner. So the phone now is in safe mode. You can go ahead and do what you need to do in safe mode. So once you're ready to get out, it's super simple. Just go ahead and press the power off button till you get the power off menu. And then here you're just gonna hit restart. And the phone will restart normally again and out of safe mode. And there we go, the phone has booted up and it is no longer in safe mode. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video showing you how to get in and out of safe mode on your HTC U Ultra. So that's it for now. I hope that helped you out. Go ahead and please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.